Hi, I'm Morgan, and this is Morgan Reviews. Today I'm doing something a little different. I am doing an unboxing video. I have no idea what the appeal of unboxing videos are. That said, I had this order coming, so I figured, why not? The internet likes it. Do it for the people. So I went to the Ordinary website to check it out after hearing some good things. It said like hydrators and peptides and acids and shit, but at the bottom it was like sets. And then when I clicked on sets, it had a set called the No-Brainer set. And I thought, well, there's a set for me. But it wasn't available yet. These three things are essentially on that set. The retinol is different, but I figured I would just go with it because it said it was a no-brainer set. All I'm going to do is sort of just show you what I got. This is just a plain brown box that they send you. I'm in the UK, so this is just shipping. But I've covered up all the information because that's how they get you. Let's open it. Is like the actual unboxing process part of it. Like, do people like seeing how you get into it? If I had $1 billion, I would make this really exciting. I guess I could stab myself and that would be exciting. Unboxing video! Here's some stuff in its wrapping, if that's important. This is the type of bubbles that it came in. Let's try and pop these. Oh, you can't pop them. Ooh, bubble technology has come a long way. Check that out. That is actually... Anyway, here's what I got for you. Number 1, Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. That's the box. I literally was like, I need to do some of these that aren't just me talking about makeup brushes, but I don't know what this is for anybody. Okay, so here's this. Yeah, okay. This is Granactive Retinoid 5% in Squaline. Squaline. My friend gave me a tube of her retinol cream and it expired in 2014. So this is going to be replacing that. And the buffet. This just has a bunch of multi-technology peptides in it. Let's do another unboxing because I'm assuming that's important. Next unboxing step. Cool! I'm gonna put it on my face, don't you worry. Ooh. And we've unboxed them! Ta-da! Right now I'm gonna leave the retinol alone until this evening, but let's look at this witch juice. It just looks like spit, is essentially what it looks like. Can you see that? Yeah. And apply to the entire face. Let's do it. Now, I am a big fan of serums these days, and most of the ones that I use daily have snail mucus in them because I'm living my best life, avoiding the eyebrow powder. I look very dramatic. That feels like a serum. Now, I have heard amazing things about this situation. They're like, oh, this moisturizing factor, it changed my life, made me love myself again. So, I want to love myself again. I hope that this is what you want. Notice that I don't really know how to put on lotion. That probably got there because up until a few weeks ago, I never took care of my skin. I think that's all for now. I will probably report back in about a month to tell you how this stuff works. I hope you got something out of that. If you like it, give me a thumbs up because I literally have no idea what that would do for anyone. But I hope you had a good time today, friends. I know I did. Goodbye.